Got a Chrysler Pacifica with a busted AC? No sweat, let's get it sorted. First things first. Check your climate control settings. Make sure the AC is on and the temperature is set to cool. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how often this is the fix. Next, listen for the AC compressor. It should make a soft clicking sound when it activates. No click? You might have a problem with the compressor itself or the AC relay. Still no luck? Pop the hood and inspect the AC fuse. A blown fuse could be the culprit. Consult your owner's manual to locate and replace it if needed. Another common issue is low refrigerant. You can buy a recharge kit at any auto parts store. Just follow the instructions on the package to safely recharge the system. Finally, check the cabin air filter. A dirty filter can restrict airflow and make it feel like your AC isn't working. Replace it regularly to keep things running smoothly. If you've tried all these steps and your AC still isn't working, it might be time to visit a professional mechanic. They can diagnose and fix more complex issues, and that's it. With these troubleshooting tips, you'll be back to enjoying cool, comfortable rides in your Chrysler Pacifica in no time. Stay cool out there.